I know your heart is tired. The weight of the world seems overwhelming. You've cried silent tears, wondering if God even sees you. Your pain feels invisible. But right now, in ways you can't see, God's perspective is far greater than yours. God is picking up the broken pieces. Each fragment represents a hurt, a disappointment, a loss. And He's fixing it for you, not erasing the past, but creating beauty from it. He's healing wounds no one else understands. His word is a balm to your soul, a light in the darkness. He's fighting battles you didn't even know were coming. Just as the sky clears, so too will your path. God hasn't forgotten you. Even in the darkest night, He is there. Every sleepless night, He's been right beside you, waiting for you to reach out. Every whispered prayer, He's listened to every word, every unspoken thought. He heard it all. Your faith, however small, moves His heart. You are not forsaken. Like this garden, you too are tended by a loving Creator. You are not alone. His presence surrounds you, as tangible as this garden. His hand is on your life. Even now, He's working in ways beyond your understanding. So breathe, daughter of God. Let His peace fill you from the inside out. Your story isn't over. It's still being written, each day a new page. He's still writing it, and His plans for you are filled with hope and purpose. If you believe this, remember that each step forward is a victory. Your faith, however small, can move mountains. Believe in His love for you.